Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to subscribe to Amazon Prime without Autopay. This is really easy. You need to find Amazon Prime pricing to check out all the plans that have Amazon Prime. And in this case, we're gonna Google Amazon Prime pricing and I'm gonna click this option right here. Once the site is loaded, we're gonna click this um, uh, button right here called Explore Other Plans. Okay, here you have uh, four plans that you can choose uh, for buy or purchase if you want. Okay, and right here by default, if you buy a plan, if you choose one of these plan, by default, autopay is activated. Okay, you need to deactivate manually. How we can do that? Okay, well, uh, this is easy. We're gonna go to Amazon Prime app or Amazon app, and right here we're gonna find this icon right here, and you're gonna click this option. Normally is called account and settings. Okay, and right here you're gonna find one option called uh, manage account, and right here uh, we can cancel our membership. Okay, uh, or we can uh, delete our payment method to no pay uh, automatically every month. Okay, is this is the only way I know we can do that, and I hope this was helpful. Please, uh, be, if this video is helping you, please comment and subscribe.